Hey guys, and welcome back to another Mint Minute. So earlier this week we learned a little bit about the chemistry and history of basil, one of my favorite plants. Today I thought we'd make something tasty for our activity, and it just so happens to be my favorite food. It's pesto! OhSheGlows has a fantastic vegan avocado pesto recipe I've been enjoying for years. It's cheaper than using pine nuts and Parmesan, and the avocado adds so many good proteins and fats to your diet, so it's such a filling recipe. I've modified it a little. The only difference is I have doubled the basil. In my opinion, you can never have too much basil. For this recipe, you will need a clove or a little more of garlic, a half cup of basil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 ripe avocado, and a tablespoon of water. It's the easiest recipe of all time. Simply throw everything into a blender or a food processor and process it. If you want it more liquidy, go ahead and add a little more water or olive oil and add salt and pepper to taste. When we disturb the basil, when we rip it, rub it, heat it up, or throw it in a blender, that leaf begins to expel more of those secondary metabolites, those compounds, in the form of oil. By blending this basil up, we are allowing those oils, the linalool and the eucalyptol, to be processed and added and incorporated into the rest of the pesto. Usually these compounds are so important for protecting the plant from things like anti-herbivory. However, they are so important for that oh so basil-y flavor that we love in pesto. So go ahead, try the recipe out, throw it on your favorite pasta, or like I did, zoodles, or dip some bread or crackers into it. This has been another Mint Minute, and we will see you next week. Bye!